Hello and welcome to another screencast by the Geeks Tech. Are you moving over to a Mac? Or maybe to Windows? Yeah, I know people that's been a long time Windows users that have finally given up and headed towards Mac. And vice versa. I know people that's headed from Mac over to Windows and Windows to Linux and Mac to Linux. Yeah, but then people can't find software. Yeah, their favourite software. They can find software obviously, but their favourite software or something very similar. Well, have I found a site for you? If you head over to www.AlternativeTo.net, it brings you to this site. You see, what this allows you to do is search for your favourite software for an alternative to your favourite software. It's very simple. AlternativeTo is a new approach to finding good software. It tells you what applications you want to replace, and we give you a great alternative based on users' recommendations. So it's really user generated. Yeah, it's what users recommended, which is good because I like to listen to users and what they recommend. Software companies out there are going to say, yes, our software is the best, you won't find nothing better. That's companies' freedom, all going to say that. In reality, finding a good piece of software that company says, you know what I mean. It's always good to listen to users, that's what I'm trying to say. Always good to see what other people like. Go ahead and try it. If it's for you, great, buy it. If not, fine, scrap the 30-day trial or the 6-day trial where the company's offers trial, try something else. Well, as you can see, you can search for all Windows, Mac, Linux and online, which is good. It's very simple to use. You can search by most views, most likes, recent and no alternatives. On the side here it's got likes, so it shows you how many people likes this particular software. You can actually click on like yourself. Here you got find alternative to Hotspot Shield, which basically any application will just basically have that bit changed to their name. At the top here it shows you that Hot Shield is available for Windows and Mac. As you can see here, Dropbox is available for Windows, Mac, Linux and online, so it's basically available for all. So you could search for like most views and most likes, recent and that if you want, and just see if it's available. Like image burn, it's only available to Windows. What you could do is you could type it up here. If you click on Mac, in it you type in image burn, but I'm too lazy so I'll copy and paste and search. You'll see if there's an alternative, but there ain't, so I'll pretty much go and use something similar to that. But that's only if it's in their database. If it's in their database, you ain't going to find it. So obviously there could be something similar to image burn for Mac, but it's not particularly on this website's database. So just because it says there ain't an alternative, there could very well be elsewhere. You're going to have to dig a bit deeper. Also, but it's worth checking this site out, definitely. I've recently moved from Windows to Mac, and this website's helped me out with software, finding alternatives, and it's brilliant. To be honest now, even though I've still got a Windows machine, I still use it for gaming. It's everything now. I do everything on my Mac, apart from a bit of video editing, because the video editing software that I like to use, the Mac version is shit. Excuse my French. Right, so I'm going to stick to the Windows one for now. Screencast, Mac. I'm going to stick to Mac because the screencast software is pretty good. But just for a bit of video editing, I'm going to stick to my Windows. But obviously, this is what the source can do. You can search for alternatives for whatever platform you're using. And like I said, if you're a Mac user, you go to Windows, fine, click on Windows, type in your search what you want to look for, or just browse down here and see what software there is, because it tells you software name and the description. Now if I goes on to TeamViewer, even though it is available for everything, yeah, it just tells you a bit more about it up here. You can click on more info. Yeah, it shows you information, platforms, tags, screenshots. Yeah, it's brilliant. Just this website's brilliant. And again, if you're even Linux, if you're moving over from Windows or Mac and you want to try Linux, fine, search for the Linux, you know. Overall, AlternativeTo website is brilliant. Definitely recommend you trying it out. As you can see, there is the website address, AlternativeTo. Just yeah, that's the website address. Definitely worth checking it out. And that's basically it, really. Might be useful, maybe not. Either way, I find it useful, and I'm recommending it now to the community, to my geeks. Well, that's it from the Geeks Tech. As always, you can follow us on www.geekstech.co.uk, twitter.com/4geekstech. That's the number 4, by the way. me.me/geekstech, youtube.com/geekstech, where you can subscribe to all our videos and obviously rate us and even subscribe to us. Always brilliant to have new subscribers, and always a big thank you to my current subscribers. You can search for us on Facebook, search Geeks Tech. Then we've got something new for you. That's right, all questions and answers, as always, about tech. You can always email me. But I've set up a new site where you can ask me the same questions, but other people can answer them as well. It's called Tech Q&A, which is at www.techqa.co.uk. It's community based run. It's a simple question and answers form. You post your question, then the community can help answer them. Simple. Even I would answer questions. If you ask me a question on there, I will answer it. As long as it's not spam, obviously. I'm fed up with spam. If you don't want to use that website and you still prefer to email me with any questions or queries, or maybe you want to ask me to review something, you can at wayne@geekstech.co.uk. I will try and answer you if I can. If it's spam or if it's a question, yeah, people ask me 1,001 times, odds of me replying is slim to none. But if it's a legit question, I will probably answer it. And obviously you can either email me or go to www.techqa.co.uk. That is community based run, so you can get help about anything to do with technology or gadgets. Head over there, post a question, let the community answer it, and let's build that new website, because it is new. So that's my new thing. That's it then from Geeks Tech. Until the next time, see you later.